Are you looking to get your spiritual business to the top of search engine pages? In this video, I share with you how to use Soulful SEO without losing your spirituality. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure that you're not making these 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. Search engine optimization. When you hear these words, you have one of 2 expressions. You're either super excited or you are super scared. Which one are you? Comment below. SEO. SEO is no longer about optimizing your website for search engines, especially when you're in the spiritual industry. It's an art form of combining technical expertise with spiritual understanding. In spirituality, that means sensing or discerning people or their intentions. With SEO, it's understanding the user's intent, creating content with soulful purpose, and using analytics to measure success. Both you and the algorithm are looking to do the same thing: provide the best information that delivers maximum results for the end user. Soulful SEO is a spiritual approach to search engine optimization. It focuses on creating content that optimizes your website with the intention of helping people find what they're looking for, rather than just ranking high in search engines. Soulful SEO seeks to provide an experience that is both meaningful and helpful to the users. While traditional SEO relies heavily on algorithms, Soulful SEO emphasizes the importance of understanding the needs and values of the end users in order to create content that resonates with them. This includes using keywords strategically, writing compelling titles and descriptions, and providing relevant links that leads back to your website. Using this approach ensures that your website stands out by providing tailored experiences to spiritual users' needs. Mindful marketing is an effective way for spiritual businesses to increase visibility and engagement. It's a process of using spiritual principles and practice to optimize your website in order to bring more visitors, customers, and followers. Mindful marketing can help you reach your target audience by providing content that resonates with their needs and values. Combining spiritual practice with SEO strategies can help you tap into the power of creating content that is more meaningful and engaging. Spiritual practice such as the law of reciprocity. When people receive something, they feel compelled to return the favor. The law of attraction states that things that are alike are drawn to themselves. This connects with the law of vibration, which states that everything is made up of energy that is vibrating at a specific frequency. Mindful meditation is being aware of your thoughts and sensing your feelings without interpreting or judging. Creative visualization is using your imagination to create specific imagery to change your life in a positive way. Using any of these practices can help you build strong relationships with your customers and increase your organic search rankings. In addition, it helps you to develop a unique brand identity that stands out from the competition. When you combine spiritual practice with SEO, you can take advantage of both energetic worlds and maximize the impact of your content for long-term success. SEO is essential for any website to be successful. It helps to ensure that your website is visible to potential customers and improves your search rankings. However, it's not enough to just optimize your site with just technical SEO. You also need to make sure that you use soulful SEO tactics. This means identifying the right keywords that is specific to your business or your spiritual niche, creating relevant content around your spiritual niche, making sure pages and descriptions are in alignment with what's on your website, no keyword stuffing in titles and pages, add description to images, and connect with quality backlinks to other sites as well as within your website. Following this practice will help Google web crawlers with indexing your pages and helping you to rank high in search engine results. These are changes that you can make even if you're not a soulful SEO expert. Use tools like Google Analytics to gain SEO information on your mobile traffic, page bounce backs, website engagement, and what pages are not performing well. By following some of this best practice outlined in this video, you can optimize your website with Soulful SEO and ensure that your content and pages and website reaches the right people at the right time. I hope this video helps you in your journey. Make sure you download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.